This is the white noise machine. Here's the instruction manual. White noise machine. There's where the USB charging cable attaches to. The bottom, so it doesn't scratch any furniture. Inside the little box, you'll have your adapter for the wall outlet, and here's the USB cable. And to do the timer, you hold it down and you just keep pressing, and there's it goes 15, 30, 60, and 90 minutes. To change the clock, you press mode for 3 seconds and then you change the dial on top. The audio on off button is at the top. And so you can turn up the volume with the volume minus and plus, the middle at the bottom. I'm going to go through each 10 natural sounds. If you like this video, please subscribe and like.